For today's Electro Spotless secrets, we're going to try removing this coffee stain from wool carpet using just normal household ingredients. White vinegar is our go-to for a lot of this stuff. We have 50% water, 50% white vinegar. To start off with, we're just going to apply it to the stain, really flood the area with this product, and then blot. Okay, we can see the stain starting to come out already, so we'll keep applying the vinegar and we'll keep blotting. Now it's starting to lift, so with a wool carpet it's important to always just put downwards pressure when you're blotting. Don't go side to side like this, because when we go side to side we start to break the fibres and we'll end up with a fuzzy carpet. So I've applied a lot of vinegar, we've removed a heap of the stain. Now I want to try to flush out that vinegar, and so I'm just using warm water with a little bit of dishwashing detergent. I'm now going to apply some fresh water before we blot it dry. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use our Electro 3 spot and stain remover. Now this should help take out some of the colouring. Again, we can't work it too hard, otherwise we're going to cause the carpet to go frizzy. And we're able to remove a bit more colour doing this, so it's just a slow process. Okay, now for the final step, we're actually going to go to the iron. The heat from the iron is going to supercharge this cleaning product, and we're going to apply it just to the affected area and see if it can help remove a bit more of the remaining stain. And then that's about the end point that we're going to be able to get to with a coffee stain on a wool carpet. Yeah, okay, so we're getting some more product out this way. You can see it's lightening up even more. Now I'm going to do this one more time, and then we're going to call it a day before we start pulling colour out of the carpet. The last thing we want to get is a white spot. Now interestingly, with this carpet we can see part of the problem is the discoloration goes all the way down the fibres because there was so much coffee there. That's always going to make it harder to treat the stain. So really today here we just want to get the stain to something that we can live with, something and say, you know what, that's okay, it's not too noticeable. I think that's pretty close to where we want to finish for today. I'm going to now flush this out with clean water to make sure we remove all of the remaining chemicals, and so that we don't damage the carpet. And now we actually see that there's still some more of that dark coffee colour coming up. Okay, we've still got more coming out. So get a big towel, put a towel over the stain, fold it 4 times over and stand on it, and then flush it out with warm water and do it again and see how much of that stain you can remove. We've obviously unset the stain with the vinegar and the cleaning products. So that's what our stain was before we started. That's what we've gotten to in 15 minutes work, using a combination of white vinegar, dishwashing liquid, and our Electro 3 stain remover. I think that result's pretty good in the circumstance on a wool carpet. It's probably about the best we're going to get. For more Electro Spotless secrets, follow our Instagram page. If you've got any questions, want help with any stains, let us know and we'll include it in our next video.